everybody. Got a hat on. Notice the garage door is only down a little, or up a little way. I'm trying to keep the heat in. It is November 1st. Halloween was yesterday. We are trying to keep the gears all moving and flowing and the business running and pumping, but let me tell you, this is a wide awakening of winter is on its way. Past couple days we've had some rain on and off. Yesterday it rained and then turned into a light drizzle for a few hours, and the winds picked up, and then it started snowing. We got like an inch of snow stuck later in the evening last night in the grass, leaves, rooftops, so rooftops are all covered with snow. It's that time of year where you're just like, oof, not fun to be out. Some jobs just aren't safe. I'm letting the truck warm up real good. Compressor, I just got done airing up front tires. In the wintertime, at least here in central Indiana, you gotta slow down. Some things aren't safe to be on. It's not a good product to install when it's that cold. The shingles are brittle. I don't like doing it. If it warms up, we'll try to sneak a few jobs in, but then you gotta realize, like, hey, it may not have a chance to seal down. No big deal. If there's a problem, we go back to it. I try to bid a performance shingle come through the wintertime, so a little extra peace of mind is not gonna blow off. It's not that much to upgrade to a performance shingle. Whatever the brand is you use, or they usually all offer it some sort of a nail strip that's really hard to pull through. And I'm a believer of it. We just did a job last week. We had 50-mile gusts all night the next night, and it was all perfectly intact. Hasn't had a chance to seal down, so I'm happy with that. This is a real quick update on the Grand Roofing Video Vlog 3, I think I'm up to now. I just want to give you a quick update. I haven't had a lot of time to do any video editing or get anything going for you. I'm just standing out here waiting on my truck to warm up. I've got to get a hammer and beat the hitch pin down to drop the jack, and then to get that out because they're all froze up in there. If my camera's shaky, I'm sorry, my hands are cold. It's like 31 degrees out right now. We're not used to this. Had to air up my tire. Got a nail in right there, got a few in it. Actually, this front left tire, I've got a few. That side's developed a leak. Some of the trailers have leaks. When you go into the landfills almost daily or regularly, it's a given. I don't care what landfill you go to. You do your best to run the magnet. They probably try to keep nails picked up too, but you're going to get them in your tire. I gave up on patching them because I don't like plugs in them because they've popped out for me before or still leaked. So I just leave them. They seem to have a better seal. Unless you're going to take tire off and patch it on the inside with a true patch, then it gets time consuming and trying to get up there. I'm going to take today to just catch up on some estimates, some looking for leaks people have called on, not work we've done, just people having leaks and wanting our service. Got to get the truck in for an oil change. It's due. It's actually overdue. I try to go, they put these nice little sticky things right up in here. I don't know if you can see it, but it gives you a reminder when the oil change date was and how many miles you had. Let me get away from the truck, might be a little noisy. I personally try to go every 3,500, 4,500 miles. I'm quite a bit overdue. Most newer vehicles have an oil meter. Well, now that thing's flashing, time for oil change, and I don't know what that's at, like 5,000, 10,000, I have no idea. I want to look it up, but it's overdue. So that's going to try to get done today. Just be safe today. I'm trying to get some estimates taken care of and try to stack work up for come springtime. Even though we might have a few good days still through November, I hope to get a few more jobs done. I just try to slow down because I don't like the product. I wouldn't want to install it in my house when it's that cold. You know, it is what it is. Going into winter, when it cools off in the fall, you know, if you've done this for any time, your income slows down in the winter. If you're in the outdoor service industry, it slows down. So if you're watching this and you're new, first year doing this, start saving up. As soon as those humid temperatures drop and the temperatures kind of come down a little bit and you're like, love this weather, you guys gear up into the busy season, start saving away a little bit, because November's questionable. December's could have a few good days. Most of the time, December, January, and February, those are months we just don't bank on doing anything. Outgo's still there, insurance is still there, all the expenses are still there, but the income really slows down. So you got to plan on that and start saving up. This is going to be a short, quick update, or that is the update. Not much going on. I did shoot a lot of footage last Friday, just haven't any time to get any editing done. So if you're watching this, give me a pointer on what editing software you use. Currently, I've been using Adobe, I'm sorry, not Adobe, well, I wish I was using Adobe. VideoPad Editor. I think it's like by NHC or something. It's a free version. I think they have a paid version with more options and features, but I don't want to pay for some because I'm not making any money on it yet. But I want to keep shooting content for you guys. I want to put together a little picture video slide between my phone, my camera, and my drone. I just got to learn the software. So what do you use? Is it simple to learn? What's the cost of it? What would you recommend? If you've used VideoPad Editor, is it worth continuing on? Does it have good features, or would you recommend going to something else that might be like subscription based, like Adobe Premiere or others I may have not have heard of? So let me know. I appreciate it. Comment below. I'm going to try to do more vlogs, how-tos, but the weather's going to be the biggest factor going into winter of 2019. Can't wait for 2020. Hope to see you then. Comment below, subscribe, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you comment, I'll do my damnedest to comment back to everyone. Thanks again for watching. Garanda Roofing video vlog number 3, quick update.